Welcome to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Your home for all the info you need to know when you're just trying to survive on a budget. We're taking a look at the Midland Weather Alert Radio. It says it's ready out of the box and it's simple to customize and set up. Well, we're going to find out right after this. Okay, welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Like I said, we're looking at the Midland Weather Alert Radio. It's supposed to be easy to set up. It goes for $30 on Amazon. I just recently moved to Indiana, and it's part of Tornado Alley. Unless you live in Indiana, then it's called a nader. Don't worry about the nader. Fish is biting. But we're going to go ahead and look at this. It's supposed to only go off when there's actual emergency. So you can leave it on, and when there's an emergency, it'll give you an alarm so you know there's a tornado in the area. Go ahead and get it open. Sleep better with an NSA shelter in your home. Oh, I guess they're selling shelters. Alrighty. Go ahead, get this out of the box. Out of the bag, should say. Looks like we're going to need some batteries. Double A's. 4 of them. And it doesn't come with batteries. Alright, I'll be right back. Okay, I got my double A batteries. Go ahead and put those in. Oh, maybe it only takes 3. Set language. Low reception safety feature. Okay, your radio will beep and check reception will appear and display if your radio does not receive an alert for 10 days. Cool. So quick start instructions. Set the on and off switch located on the right side of the radio on the on position. Well, it's already on. Pull antenna and extend its full length. That's done. Insert 3 AA batteries, which we already did. Plug AC adapter in. Okay, we got that plugged in. Follow the prompts on screen using up and down. To move through the options, we'll select and choose desired option. Radio, first display welcome, and then set language. Language. Press the select button, set language, English. Select location. Single. Select one empty. Okay, it took a little while, but I got it figured out to have it set up for my state and the county that I'm in. So I guess if there's a nader, it'll actually go off. Now, you can set it up for an alarm clock so you can keep it in your bedroom. And if you want to hear the weather, you just hit this little button right here.
Observations for the Evansville tri-state region.
And it'll tell you the weather.
There was light rain at Evansville Temperature was 73 degrees. Dew point 70. Relative humidity 90%. Winds were calm. Barometer was 29.84 inches and steady.
Turn off the weather. I mean, it says easy setup. Maybe it's just me, but I wouldn't call that easy because one mistake is starting all over. So it's not easy. Does it work? It gives me the weather. Simple.
Relative humidity 100%.
Okay, it gives me the NOAA weather. Is it going to work in an emergency situation? I'm going to have to wait for an emergency to see if it actually works or not. Now, you can run a test. Okay, you can set alarm type. Hit select. Tone. Voice. Display. Let's put it on tone. Hit select. We're going to go down here. Alert test. Select. Alert type, hit select. We're going to try voice. Select. Alert test. And the test sounds just like, oh my God. Alert type, select. Voice, select. Alert test, select. See, I mean, this is I have it on voice, I'm still getting a tone. Okay. Menu. Alert type, test, select. Yeah. So it's really not an easy setup at all. It's really confusing. But I'm going to have to wait to see if it actually works on a nadir. I guess I have to wait for a nadir or severe weather for that to see if it goes off in the middle of the night or day or whatever. I mean, I guess it's better than nothing. You know, I'd liked it a lot better if it was actually easy to set up. You know, easy 1, 2, 3. But it's not. Okay. So with that said, I'm taking off a point just because it ain't easy to set up. There's no way to actually test it. I mean, you see me put it on voice and it's an alarm. Put it on tone, it's still the same thing. There's no easy way to test it. It's just one of those wait and sees. Good luck, I guess. So there's a 2. Is it better than nothing? Yes. Okay. You want to hear the weather? No. You got to make sure you're on the right thing.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rain.
You can hear the weather. Alarm clock, I guess it works great. I won't have an alarm to set. But overall, I'm really disappointed in this, in that $30 price point. I'm going to give it 2.5 stars. I mean, I can't recommend it because I have to wait to see if it works. I have to wait for a tornado. And I have to see if it has a voice when it says tornado or if it's just an alarm. Okay, as you can tell, I'm upset by this. I expect a lot more out of mainland. I had CBs from this company. Worked great. This, not so much. Okay, enough with the rambling. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button up here in one of these corners. As always, thank you for watching.